Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amina Bashir. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Before we get into how we achieve this glorious look, please you guys, I'm tired of begging, but please guys, subscribe to my channel. Guys, I cannot even come and cry because I have a microphone on top of my camera. I forgot to turn on the microphone and I've been talking to myself since. It doesn't get worse than this. It doesn't. What I'm talking about here is I'm talking about Huda Beauty primer. Like I have Huda Beauty primer, I have other primers, I have Benefit, and you know all these things are similar. So I don't see just because like I'm buying the Fenty Beauty foundation and because she has a primer, so that means I need to get the primer. Like what's the point of wasting money if you have the thing that works? Like it all works the same. There's no point to waste money and buy another one. That's why I'm not using Fenty Beauty primer here, and it works perfectly. Like it doesn't even, I love this primer. It's one of my favorites. It's even almost done, I think. I actually love this primer. This is NYX Glow highlighter. You can either use this before your foundation or you mix your foundation with it. The point of this highlighter is that like it makes your skin glow. Like when you put it first and you put your foundation, your skin will just start like glowing and it will look more natural, and it is just like, oh wow, I look like this before I even go anywhere, before I even start any serious makeup. Alright, this one I think everyone is familiar with. This is the Fenty Beauty foundation. My shade is 440, and I mean this is definitely one of my favorite foundations of all time. And people have been asking me about, okay, Huda Beauty or Fenty Beauty. Honestly, I feel like for Huda Beauty is more matte and like it stays for like a long period of time. I wore this foundation for my Steph London concert. If you've seen my previous video, you know that I was in a fight, and my foundation, my makeup did not even move. The only reason why I didn't record when I got back home to prove that this stayed for like 16 hours on my face without moving, like without doing anything. So like I couldn't record after because like we got home late, honestly. So I was too tired and I just slept off. But then my makeup was intact. It was everything. And my phone died. So like I couldn't record and be like, oh, even if it's for Snapchat, like just like have a video. But then I'm telling you, this foundation, I think I'll still do the put my Fenty Beauty foundation and see for how long, maybe if it can last 10 hours without without breaking or anything. So yeah, but it did stay. It stayed for like 16 hours. My makeup went through and I didn't come back home till like, I don't know, it was pretty late. This is a very good foundation. I got the two of the Fenty Beauty concealer. Honestly, my honest opinion is it's a bit overpriced for concealer. Like £19 for concealer. Come on, but it's Rihanna, so what can you do? You can't question it. When I bought the concealer and the setting powder and everything, I put it on my Instagram and people saw it, and because obviously it's overpriced, so people really want to know if it's worth it, like if they should buy it or not. Because sometimes your LA Pro girl is your go-to and you're fine, you actually come out paying. It's not really necessary, but we have to do it for those who are interested. So I got the 370 and 385 to conceal. This is the 370. The 385 under, so that I don't get too much light. I think the 385 is mine. Yeah, that's my color, because I got to just in case. Honestly, I didn't get to contour because I have my contour concealers, but yeah, I think 385 is the shade. Like I feel like 370 bit too much, if I'm gonna be honest. So I'm gonna blend it out now. I always do. I always go back. Like if I use brush to like blend my stuff, I always come back with beauty blender too. you know, smooth, make it more smooth. Honestly, my first impression for this, it has a great smell. It has this scent that is really nice, and then it blends out really quickly. Like I did this in seconds. It blends out smoothly. If you're not like into makeup that much, I wouldn't say that you should get it, because it can be it is overpriced. I feel like you could have the same job done with your LA Pro or your Colourpop that is $6. Like, it's the same thing. But honestly, it is recommended. It looks flawless. I actually like it. I actually do like it. I mean, I don't expect not to like it, because, you know, it's Rihanna. She always delivers. But I actually do like it. Her Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. I got mine is in honey. It's looking like right in my camera. Like, can you believe that? Like, look how pretty. Look at my camera right there. Hello. But this is so pretty. This is so pretty. I actually wanted to get like I think the cashew is lighter than this, but I'm like, I already have one that is light, honestly, and I'll just like the one that will kind of, you know, it will be like more dark. The setting powder is £24. It's kind of pricey, but you know, if you want something good, you gotta lose the strings of the pocket. Trust me, that didn't make sense, but I stand by it. So we're gonna leave this for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna do my eyes and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes now, so let's brush it out. The short story is that my battery died and I had to do all this because my concert starts at 7 and I don't have time. So I'm gonna put on my lashes now and we're just gonna, you know, finish this. Been with me for the longest time. This is Trophy Wife. But still cute. Still cute. I see you. Really overdue. I finally got them. These are her glosses. Fenty Beauty Glass Bomb in Diamond Milk and Fenty Glow. Honestly, I feel like Fenty Glow is my mood right now. Like, the scent is like strong and it's nice, so it's good strong. Give it a few minutes to set and we're done. Okay, so this is my full Fenty face. Obviously I didn't use, you know, she doesn't have a blue liner that I know of, but then the foundation, the concealer, setting powder, my gloss, highlighter, and yeah, all of them they're Fenty, which is, you know, the like 90% of the makeup. So this is the final look. I just want to make like a video, just like, you know, things, basics, the basic things that you need in your makeup kit, and you know, you still look flawless. If you guys think that that's a great idea, or you want to see it, or you want to know what are the basics, like the basic products that you need to, you know, your makeup to look pink, please write it, or, you know, post on my comment section. You know, write on my comment section that you want the video and I will do it. Thank you so much and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.